How you doing today? Today we're going to explain to you how to figure a rolling offset with an unknown bend angle. So if we look at our parameters that we have here, you can see we have the roll at 3'3", we have the rise at 4'6½", and we know the run. What we're going to look for is the angle of fitting. That's our unknown, and our center to center is unknown. And keep in mind we're dealing with 8-inch pipe here, and we're also dealing with 1/8-inch gap. So what I'm going to do with the calculator is, if you were in the factory mode, always convert clear your calculator, and you press convert elbow type. The first thing to come up is butt weld long. That's really not where you want to be. Press pipe material again, that's butt weld short. If we press it again, that's field cut long. That's when you're dicing and slicing long radius 90s. That's where you want to be. Press clear. Do not press convert clear. It will go back to the factory settings. Let's enter our pipe size first at 8-inch. Enter 8-inch pipe size. Let's enter our roll at 3'3". 3'3" is our offset. Let's enter our run as 4'3". Enter that as the run. And lastly, I'm going to enter the rise as 4'6", 1/2. But to activate a rolling offset, I have to press convert, travel, and there you can see that matches our center to center. Okay, right out of the calculator. Press travel again. That confirms my fitting takeoff. So it took off for the 8-inch fitting, and it took off for the weld gap at 1/8 of an inch. Press travel again. There's my fitting takeoff. There's my gap. That's my fitting, 52.7. 52.7 is my fitting angle. There's my inside arc of my fitting, my center arc, and my back arc. There's my advance. It's going to spit back all the information you put in. 4'3". There's my offset 3'3", and there's my roll. And it continues to go through the gamut. Keep in mind, in a rolling offset, there's 3 angles. There's the angle of the fitting, there's the angle of the roll here, and there's also what the pipe is to the horizontal plane. That's also an angle. To get the angle of the roll, you have a triangle here. This side here, this rise dimension, is actually going to be my offset in the calculator. And then this other side here, the roll, is going to be my run. So if I press clear, I can go and put 3 foot 3" in the calculator. But because I'm dealing with this angle here, that roll would go in as the run. The rise at 4'6", 1/2", for this particular triangle will actually be the offset. And when I press angle slope, I get 54.4. Okay, that could be very important depending if your rolling offset's going into a flange or a valve, and it was being prefabbed in the horizontal position. There's also what we call what the pipe is to the horizontal plane. You can see it's right here in the spreadsheet. We're going to get this 40-34, and what we're going to do, we're going to draw another triangle here. If we look at this box here, okay, and we say that this rise and this center to center of this travel here is its own triangle, which it is. We'll draw the other side in. that we have that triangle there. Now if we take the calculator and we put in the purple 4 foot 6 inch 1/2 in that particular triangle, that would be the offset. The 7 foot 3/16 would be the travel. So if we put in 7 foot 0 inch 3/16 and enter that as the travel, if we press the angle slope, that's what you would see if you put an angle finder on that. That's where a lot of people get confused. The angle what the pipe is to the horizontal plane is 40.3. So I hope this helped you. There'll be more of this to come, and we'll talk to you soon.